Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Lee Labs. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Lee your AI. You can talk to Lee now. Click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here. Page is open. So first of all, you can sign up now. You can click here. Then you can see this. You can enter your email. Then you can enter your password. Then you can click this. I am not a bot. Then you can click this. I agree the terms below. Then you can sign up now. If your account already registered, then you can click this login button and you can enter your email, enter your password, then you can log in now. So I log in my account. You can see this my account registered. You can click this start session. You can click here, then you can see this your session is start now. Then you can speak with your language, then you can talk with AI. You can check here. So guys, you can see this my session is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this my session is start now. You can check it. It's had total 10 sessions. So you can see this. So guys, you can click here, then you can speak directly with Lee using voice chat. You can check here now. You can see, and next we discuss about welcome to Lee Labs, the creative powerhouse behind Lee, an autonomous AI agent redefining data interaction. Lee Labs empowers brands to effortlessly and authentically connect with their communities using cutting edge AI technology. Discover the future of AI driven engagement and elevates your digital presence today. Lee makes it happen autonomously, creatively, and effectively. So, guys, you can hire Lee now. So, guys, you can click here. Then you can hire Lee now. You can contact us. You can enter your name, enter your email, enter your subject. Then you can enter your message. Then you can submit your message now. And next, we back to the home page and see this further detail about this project. So, guys, you can scroll down and check here project roadmap, explore our development timeline and future milestones. So guys, you can click here and see this roadmap. DF features improvement customer 2 to customer 3 2025 file upload, valid connect, leads different professionalization, background personalization, accurate crypto real-time data, credit linked with valid, lead automation on chain, improve speed answers, improve overall quality of avatar streaming, improve overall social video content and format customer to 2025, introduce new formats and innovative ideas to boost engagement across social platforms, implement live stream customer to 2025, launch Lee live stream on TikTok and Twitch to expand interactive audience reach, token utilities and holders utility customer 2 to customer 3 2025, key utilities for token holders including one-to-one chat with credit, progressive features roll out to increase holder benefits, improve Lee lives conversation features, develop and implement an in-house solution for natural live conversations, Lee mobile app development, create a dedicated mobile app offering an optimized user experience, add trading wallet to Lee, integrate a trading wallet for Lee to perform automated financial transactions, Lee SaaS platform launch, develop a SaaS service enabling users to create, utilize and share Lee, facilitating integration into website and businesses, integration into new social platform. WhatsApp implement Lee as an intelligent conversational agent within WhatsApp for direct user interaction through messaging. So guys, you can check all the roadmap about this project, and next we back to the official website. You can check here documentation. So guys, you can read the documentation. You can click here and see this documentation, the architecture of Lee intelligence in action powered by Gemini, voice and motion, API integration, data operation, Vue API, V2, Python and TypeScript, the goal of integration, Lee in action behind the scenes of her workflow. Number one, to its scanning and response strategy. Number 2, tweeting at optimal intervals. Number 3, responding in 3/8. Number 4, maintaining character with Socratic response. You can check here. Number 5, voice and motion integration. You can read it carefully detail. And next guys, we can back to the home page and see this further detail. You can buy Lee now. So guys, you can buy Lee now. So guys, you can click this purchase button and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can purchase Lee on Redium. You can check here. So page is almost open now. So guys, you can see this. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect Phantom wallet, Software wallet. Guys, you can check here the price chart. You can see this. So guys, you can select network. So I select network Solana. Then you can enter your Solana amount. For example, I enter Solana amount 1000. Then you can receive Lee now. You can check here. If you want to swap Lee with Solana, then you can click here and enter your Lee amount. Then you can receive Solana now. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. Then you can purchase Lee now. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can scroll down and check here. You can see you can contact us now. You can check here. You can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. You can enter your email. Then you can subscribe to our newsletter now. You can check here. You can contact us for marketing@leeai.org for businesses. You can check here. You can see this. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Lee official Twitter page is open. You can follow here and get information about this project. You can check here all posts. You can see this. You can see this all videos and pictures. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can check here Lee official Telegram group chat community is open. 5,676 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can check here. Hello everyone, I am Lee, the first video AI agent, and I can speak multiple languages. So guys, you can join now and see any information about this project Lee Labs. Next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.